Ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Mwancho murilia ondizi TV kwa livene ase entunda yende entunda ya gatatu imemoro beri wensa kia astra tukusanga nae amange anemono ali arengete siasa somugani icho abera wikirana ase mambi yabono neka kwa manyani otra tukusanga nere Mr. Kevin na Mosomi irago sanga ntu amange anemono igoro ya ndrete ime na isiko yorgongo rogusi tora tukumulekera NCH ya Kenya ase aberege korua ase aberege wikira nabo igase torochie buna aba Kenya ase na busanga ntu wetera somtana ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News atera somtana ito www.ndizitv.net namba ya SMS 0792192834 sanganete akarengali kyao asimambi ya abono linde tobe toko bekana burungi na kwane kinga NCH ya Kenya nkoye manyatorenga yikorunga erochigo china boigo kwane kinga twabeire togo ikirania amagendro buna ebwendete wakire
Job
karibu sana ime Ndizi TV mambi ya bwana.
Asante sana soko ngarigani andembi amona sega singi amoko
asante sana ase faide mulelia Ndizi TV na boku imanya amalie tago ainingo na ende ngaye gotenete
mbiyamona abantu bonsi bagusi mono Kenya ngima samaritan koroku Kevin Masomi cheninche murai baba sase county ya Kisii na nyana tengo chor back in the year 2018 and ningen retenega siengia mbiyamona
ere buja kigima kupatikana nga amaboli na mange anemone kero na betingo beke poster ya anemono igore youth president bakagani kumanyanga nobwate bakonyi bande use
ya service yane nimbwate abantu 6 pa kolega siororo and you know office or to na nanto ba ko office every from various sub counties so we have the deputy president, you have the secretary, the treasurer, rugo beyond spimbiro
ere buja kegima baendrete na maboli yayo kanyoranga bari bakoni kumanyanga mubwata bisi andeiga maraba ikere
mpobwata obisi yete on the ground chi county commissioner just nole executive office ya county kero rigeti uchi mumbu ani korore seiri kinga youth and gender office ari no chi office chepe shira
all right ere buja kigima asobora yo bwino to manyenga na youth president na nigo ore Kisii okabose chi county chinde bwo gonchi bwata bara basaya
no every county not the 47 counties ntobwate a youth president representing every county yes
all right ere buja kigima asobora yo bwino ilintu babeke boronge kyagira basamba bwata maboli amange kitara to kana nechi nkwa namba tigana na maboli na nikomanyanga asobora yo bwino nanga nikomanyanga emo korobo cholia sentundere naki naende nkiritereke mo kwirira mpaka mweka gochoro no koba appointed bose chikobo moro
ochore baba koro after every 6 years and naba saiba gochora as long as over the miaka 35 and below you're qualified to vote and gochora ko kongarete from the ward level they begin from the ward level and then from the ward level like one of Kisii county to about the 45 wards so in every 45 wards gochora bara abantu babere momura no moiseke momura yani gender for gender purposes and then from there after 6 months mamanya kwenda to the sub county election. Sub-county now in Kisii County we have 9 sub-counties. So in these 9 sub-counties we get one representative. Karamu akoreko abona again after 6 months kama gochara one representative otenenete county ngima. Yeah.
Ere buja kima ni matenga abona abasana abere nko babeka buja mozi chikomboli boli rinde maboli onsi abere gakwiranirwa no mogeneito anse emambi ya abono. Nko tokoranga abasa mbaba weso kikigima tokoranga chinguru chiaba sai chikaba chikwira no na monchiri anse ensemere bunge entune ndani murai wense Dr. William Ruto agayeli muswado entune akabere akabaga ko bune ekamati elia yaba waziri entune agato karanga obeire gako murusi mu inspector general wabanya nyimbo chinguru chiaba sai ntamanye kwikira bono igaro chibuna abasai mwabeire mugo ikirane keli mwali geti anemono ase kone kinga monchiri asobora wense ya Kenya
job again tabantu banata kumenya nkeringa power belongs to the people. But as much as Tranya got part of the government of the day, but the government of the day tenyo leti arisere abantu na ubanye begeta arisere. So which means inga chinguru echichire sabantu. Or andakara chinguru echichire sabantu wikanaro sherie bwatu. To govern into 20. So you see the problem that happened. Neringa apa saimba fileting our very sidelined. But and you understand that the politics chia Kenya chia very chiringa ninche kusema. So I think right now the President of the Republic of Kenya, almost like Dr. William Samoei Ruto, I can honestly say he's a true leader. Because honestly, if you look at some other nations, you see their presidents are not easy to listen to them. But when you see a president here, ya resolve his cabinet, you know, get some senior positions, then it means no month about the heart of the people. But again, the whole thing, according to me, I can say to some extent it is politicized. Because when these young people, let me say we young people, we were fighting for what is best and for what is right, it was not political. That's why kwa roche group it is tebuati kiyama very politically affiliated with any political party. But again you see that to some extent it is 50% and I correspond with service because it's going on the new cabinet Nyaretheka appointed. It was politicized, you see, because this Gen Z, say here that opposition will enjoy their fruits, you see. So to me, I can say it is 50% response from the government, Yes.
Okay, tukuriria umurubirio abasembi ababeto chaka bachaka no murembe. Na nendo atokoranga no nyanga nababwata nibo mukonyo muregwe nsirikati gasha bakugurio muswaringa. Mubege tokopoka erochenga ekerukurubega na wacha kitemje wacha gatiga erochenga abantu bali baswana netikate erinde babwate biringa gite bagaija ki processing imaye korubeka.
Neke maana job isekorero when demonstration is chigatiangete they were very peaceful. And those guys, they were very armless. So which means they were just, it was one way to air their grievances to the government. You see, but on the process, bear fruit, that's when it politicized. Lose meaning from demonstrations to protests. And this protest nchi anyala takora tunabasaya. Chi protest isike chi anyala takora tune chigun chi hired with some political leaders. So I can say to some extent it was an attack to the peaceful demonstrations that led to riots and the protest and interventions between the Libya.
Asense mo yaba waziri baba ko choronto ranga mbale baba bakwiraniwa na nemba netukunenkiwa turachakira nsemo ya bali baba ete bakwiraniwa eroche mbiya ya alenge umura iwense Dr. William Ruto abune kamati nki atali ko batigira amali mbiyo mali ko batiga abantu bamanyenga aba barakuno kulende akabarusi nenda akabayirani eroche nga gambu yakoreta basaye egega na abantu bali nabo ande tukunenkiwa nekibesa cyomo akikura osomo mondo lioko wakanibango.
Job again, Nacha could realize in every government, but they're not even William Ruto's government. Siasa igane worth some loyalty, you know. And these loyalty at the end of it, nkonya rabareba go gesama tun. And amatunda it's some of the appointments because to me I tend to thinking Onyomonto supported when I was looking for this position. I got in a then this person deserves something. And that's why you think it's so hard for William Ruto. But again, I've come to realizing you should go beyond friendship and political alienation. You should just go direct to what he promised Kenyans in his agenda, you know, in his manifesto. And I can tell you, Jobunga abantu bande ba muyeretina abantu banga basani bae. And unfortunately, I wanna understand some of them. So what do we expect? You know, you cannot do in a certain department, you fail, and then go in a certain department, and I expect you to work. Professionalism, very important. But some of the people who are given various ministries. Are they professional in you know, I fail to understand sometimes. You are proudly, whatever, in a national television, D-, and I'm proud of that. Of course, I mean, it's life, it's life. And but honestly, when it comes to, let's call a spade, if I'm not capable in a certain department, if I don't have knowledge and experience, so I can say public works, roads and what have you, I failed. You know the worst thing the president did, now Komareta, same ministry area to you know, things are not going to be easy for him. So which means that he has to work extra hard to convince these young people no my hand. If not so, then it will be exactly what happened. Yes.
Okay, ere bujaki matoeta koronga umuroberi bo kunenki aba waziri aba obatega uchakalite konkateri aramisi ijuma jumamosi nojenga bakale komnyoka no mbara batimukire boli mbara atimukana ne weekend nojenga
bakomnyoka bakaza ina yabo tuko actually. And nchetumie keringa neringa, you see tokonyara Korean government tutabati bantu babo konya. So I think that's why it's fastening the speed so fast. That is fastening the process so fast to make sure ngabanta ba so iro obviously ba mo konya. But I can tell you for free job, there are some people who were appointed that are not going to deliver. That's a fact. They are not going to deliver. And I wonder what will happen. These members of parliament will be very yani ko ikabachiba baba ngaini sana akamamba maitenga ninge guchiba esatretia banta grounding ke nganya desiko gari bona I thank God because mbari go chikokora sorry they are going to do according to what the common mwananchi want.
Ere beki gotobe maisto baranga kibago cha gwaka chikurechi naende ntamanyenga abase baje nzimba sogeti list yabo ngaranga batikiri bake batigaliri bake timadinga mbaje bategerera basekiaga Toro tense menene nsema ya vetting ya jenizo soko ligerelie kwabo ba yereti abange
of course imba yereti kwa abange nande bali batikiri. I think you know job tikatobe honest Genzia baiga mbari koru from a certain tribal region na bantu bare tribeless. You know, and they are tribeless. So which means onye ama chijenzi cha Mount Kenya chiatevire no to somebody kama konyanga the same omonto batevire no ero from chijenzi cha from Nyanza chiatevire no. You see, yani no konyara koreta some form of decency in the government. So to me, wherever they say no, it's a no. Wherever they say yes, it's a yes.
Ere bujaki matobe tokurire umuroberi oboigo amaboli yakuboligwa aiwaisane kire nenjira bakuboli amaboli naboigo enjirelia babeire bakunenki aba waziri aba
tinda isaneka for instance naroche some trending clip igoro whereby majority leader nkobori one of the appointees questions and from sides koma koranga some other guy nero gote violinga na muvurieri no liga correspond matenga yes no savant no mate no. So what does it mean ekorokinga irieri and they are just doing it for formality but if I koratu to satisfy Kenyan thing I constitution ngote vere to vet yavanta but I can tell you for free in those people they are going to the various offices. We we do without that vetting. But the process to me is not professional.
Porque tambo kirikine taweta koronga moraibu ense Dr. William Ruto ochakere koba kirekoko. Busikuba campaign eli nonya bataraita. Toro chinga gakuikira na asense meri atakanita tebanga umusao yo ino usumunguro yo ino kiture kindiki na mochota singinjali ngo mokoli emeremo oligo koraniga asia no mokia tokarra ochira asense meri ya county ya Mombasa wakire Joho ekoko. Ero chinga asense meye mo kubwata kananga nige tambo kirukelikyo moraibu ense Dr. William Ruto. Inkia watorokia.
Manyepe job akara demonstrations tirichian it's a corrigate when those people broke into parliament but caused some problems there. The president was very furious. And if you remember the state of nation address you see, but the following day the message changed. So what does it mean? When that thing happened, it created an tension not just to the Gen Z, but even to the elderly people. And then the career happened when we were experiencing economical hardship as a country. So igekeranga na ino mungunorio mogotu. Tawarenga roba akolire bobi. Eno muga kolema kia bana abatokonyire. You understand? So it led abantu to trust the president. Remember when the president had his manifesto and agenda when he was campaigning, he was a darling to many. A darling, especially about the common manage. You know, they believed in him, they trusted him, and they said, but when he came to office, the expectations of people each year about something different. Even to become tax you know, and so now I don't ever feeling I mean it's now a burden to us. You see? So the president had to make sure how can I regain this trust back from these people? Number one, the point I can say that it was missed, the president still believed Raila Odinga is a darling to the Kenyans, which is not. That's why you see, the president now had to bring Raila on board. But forgetting Raila is relevant to the people, I mean, is so irrelevant to the people. That is what he missed. To him, he thought, some few positions, then the country become. Of course, it can become because maybe from some of the regions that supports Raila so much, but then honestly, right now it's not about supporting, it's not about friendship, it's not about siasa, it is about the common mwananchi. So that's why you see president going in various parts, all regions. You understand? And you see when the people who came from the opposition, they came from those serious bedrooms, CODM. Look at Mombasa, look at Homa Bay, look at Migori, look at Kisumu. So which means that the president can comfortably go to Mombasa, you know, they become so happy. So which means out of, let's say, 60% trust area lucity, out of this 60%, 20% so he's still looking for 40%. The president is so wise. The same thing to Homa Bay. I was in Kisumu some few days ago. Who's that guy from Siaya? The minister appointee Opiyo Wandayi. The president of Opiyo Wandayi. Thank you, Mr. President. I was like, hey, in Kisumu. So you see, if the president can go to Kisumu right now, he can be embraced much better than Acheta the last time. You see? But again, Job, again, what are the negative side of it? Look at the people from the mountain. People from the mountain have been like, national treasury, all along, so to them, they're feeling vatigiru isiko ose vachairu varabu kurwe position yega kwa ego monto monga. That's why you see there is a rift between the government, between the government itself, between the president itself. That's when it comes between the president and the deputy president. That's why you see people from the mountain, even those who are supporting Dr. William Samoei Ruto, wakatevanga hiyito ne hiyito. But then now on the coast, what do we expect them to say? Nabarabu hiyito ne hiyito. What do we expect people from the Nyanza region to say? Hiyito ne hiyito. But then at the end of the day, how will the president bring all these people together into one basket? Very tricky.
Ndoshenga ayo negatiali ya entertainment sitya kinyumo ntumurele ndizi TV asimambia bwana twende usanga nomo president bwabasai as a county ya Kisii oyoromurai bwabasai gakosanga ninte amange anemono igoro ye birengere byaye anemono kubatikananga na entertainment yaito ya Kenya sanga na into gwetera sumtandaito Facebook ndizi TV News Digital YouTube ndizi TV News tera sumtandaito www.ndizitv.net ase imambi yabona number SMS 0792192834 sangana intwe na wetera sumtandaito WhatsApp 0792192834 sangana intwe ase imambi yabona obochorwa kwatebanga nkwaro chibana ya Ruto na opiyondonyo gakumisana kolende ogochorwa ko ase ekyama kya ODM kwabeire gukwanira anene mukolenda yorochenga ogochoro kwaba rayaba abarayaba babeta ko boliyo maboli amange ane muno nigo babete bakwamereria ensemeria ya serikali buno oparanya ni gara takorokananga gakomochia ensemeria ya Hustler Fund lakini kolende asabe kuribono iga Hustler Fund
nero
control jono bado be kubolia muli amange gore budget tenjo na watu manyigoro yamangana leto tinenkubuense ayoro chenga abantu abekero balinge ukana mangana ebale ko yakana sengenje umo Kenya usena sengenje ya kisiasa
mbalinge ukana sengenje umo Kenya abantu bali bawate political interest ebalinge kwenye kana okoba ya siasa. You see, it was one way of criticizing the government. But now what's funny, Job, they have been given those positions. And I'm telling you, nothing will change. Actually, they have been given those positions when countries at the crisis level. So to me, I pet with them like explanation. You see, because you will change nothing, Job. You will change nothing. As much as Naroche Parana, he was criticizing Hustler Fund because that a concept. Now, another concept. I want to understand it. I mean, it's all about political interest. Maitibona baraya wikadura ndochinga wikirera asitokura bawolinga umweshimiwa kwaraso amire none amachiko baetiria I can tell you, Job, nani finance bill yeli vange mbama nyeteningi vange mbama nyeteningi abara ibari baita vange you realizing babwate nchara na bachori into various positions. So when such a bill went go in parliament and as much as I kwa into a certain direction then they'll respond to it. But I can tell you for free that somebody like Oparanya, I'm not saying that, of course he's very competent, he's a serious manager, he has managed Kakamega for 10 years, so he can comfortably do it. But now, is this person qualified for that job? That is what we are asking, Job. Is he qualified to that job? And again, age limit, Job. Kenya, but the young people are the majority. You know, out of 100%, we are the majority. But look at that cabinet, look at those appointees. You can count. Actually, that heno yomogo sebaber. Na ando aba yomogo sebaber taringe babera appointed because they are. I mean, ebara appointed. Oise ko buati konyoranga. It may be friendship, maybe nini. But now, this is a government that is made up of these old people. I mean, what are they going to deliver that these young people will be comfortable with them?
Atavanga asaba kabali manga natali osalika.
Even TV job. Even TV koro. Sabaka kabali manga natali osalika. But to arare sekenye to sabaka kabali na manga na osalika ma. You know, look at what Nchoma say. I like saying the truth. Look at what Raila did. They don't know to Kenya for a long period of time. But to me, I tend to thinking his end point was so wrong and so sad. Because Romanyano go fight for some of these things for a long period of time. But unfortunately, Mbianyare go bear fruit. It is a time Kararo Chenga Chigenzi Chiasokre, Chianyare ko raise their voice, Yanyare ko became into to stand still. That year go to make as an opportunity, let us go to this direction that could just favor him as a person. So which means that to me to Raila, he became a laughing stock to the country. So because what he could have just done, it is to say, if these young people were actually in a direction, let me back up. Back, let me support them and say, this is the standard we have as a country. But now, Job, we don't have a position. We don't have a position. Look at even ODM itself. It is not there. Because from those appointees, they have been having wrangles just, leave alone as between ODM as a party itself. So what does it mean? In Charere, even to our leaders.
Okay, tukuligiria ase ensemo yabasetemeto sikwa ikwanire ani mono abaseba rumba bete bakwebuli bakali abene asuburai entunde
as a cabinet appointee was no, not at all. I can say out of 100%, not even. I think that I'm thinking about 10%. The CS appointee, of course, he's young. But what are some of the speculations to you with him from behind? This is a guy who has been working with former minister. The guy who has been close to Sijui who. So what does it tell? This is not somebody who fits that office. I mean, open, and maybe from that list of appointees, at least if we could have seen, maybe at least even 3 youth, at least even one person, living with disability, at least, we balance the whole thing. But no, the thing at 9 then that means still space for youth is not there. And what we are fighting for as young people, it is fighting for our own space. And job no man Kenya you are not given, you fight for it. And when you fight for it, you will get it.
Ene yakima askolini na mange abera kwene kigwa anemono ekubwate kananga no mugusiri bakali omugusinga irite kini kolende ndatore gwe clip yake mo gaiga anemono asumu akilya yo mukuru wa sorogongo rwagusi dansa no mare batawe soki bene na gukwanira anemono igoro yenchira ama bagaya yo waziri abeteka kwena no tantora rango na raya dansa no mare abeteka gukwanira anemono igoro yoburai ase obwaziri bolia onabonko enda sensemo ya kabiri studio atochese tobeto koranga na ralia ya abwache.
Everybody is fighting for their tribe. I will be asking if the Kisii community political leadership has gone on maternity leave. I will put in my papers to lead the community and register a political party, because by 2027 we will still be scattered in ODM, we'll be in UDA, we will be in whichever party that is there, and we shall lose as a community. So I'm appealing to everybody in the Kisii community that it is now ripe we go into one political party so that we can negotiate from one political party. And all the elected leaders, you owe the community an explanation. What are you doing in parties that you have no stake in? There are parties that have made the community a disgrace, a laughing stock. We appeal to the elected leaders to come out strong by moving out of those parties. They can be independent candidates. What I will assure them, that I have defended Aisha Jumwa when he moved from ODM. She never lost her seat. I defended very many of them. So don't be scared that you'll be chased from ODM. You are already chased from ODM. You are already chased from UDA. Let us think, let us sit and talk like kisses. Tiga tokwa no munuo yomo, torigie ekiama geito, na ritorasi kwe. Bono igatonga emengongo, itabua ti direction. Toko nyako gende biso na biabanto, ekrabako gamba, torekesona. That is my appeal to the Gusii community.
Jumwele Ndizi TV ngatuavire mengongo kolende ane mono ndochenga engana yabage kumuirira ane mono kwanera enganeye yenkubwatikana nga nogo chorwa kwaba waziri asabata banga bono rochinga omugusii taraegwa egetarikirike ndamanyenge nsemo ya rochinga amatuka yonsi turatikirike amakio ODM omugusii abera otenena nekyama kya ODM aba waziri bagachoro nturahara omugusii nkira yokwanera enganeye
Bono, nalipara who is Baba Bono. Actually, we don't need any other definition. You know Baba is. You know Baba is. And when you realizing is becoming too jealous. Because even the beyond pure roching of yachi solve was a servant of Baba. And job you realizing Baba for a long period of time. And he has been enjoying our massive support from our region and knowing that we are neighbors, you know. But then he has betrayed us big way. Not even from this year's appointee's job. Even those positions into cabinet, docket. And I never go very from both houses. You know, let me just say maybe from parliament. We had the minority leader, we had the minority chief whip. Come to the Attorney General.
Anthony Kibage ndia sebo ngabo mu minority lakini ndeta choriri.
That was just is among the contestants. I mean, not even contestants, but is among people who could have maybe elected to that, appointed to that whatever post. But to me it was just I know formality you go blind abantu. You know, in parliament, a lot of them, people are very competent, people are very energetic and have a focus politically. But you see, he never dared even watch no Montoyomo. So what does it tell? Job, do you know Raila just posongo saita konyara ko impressed, ko impressed before? You see? Because he's enjoying everything. So who are we then to support him again? So that's when we began, he has become so irrelevant to the people of Kenya. And I think Mzee did that because president come 2027. Some people who will cover me and people who will support me in my political retirement. So I think to him he did it because I can say he's retiring from politics. Which was so wrong.
Kalenga tu arolinga kalenga tu arolinga ga amadenga ene ntunda mwele kinende konyo matana kya bakanya konyo kwebulinga Raila agatuchakilia mangana alia yo gotosuya akabuni kiama kia gasakanu akarukanu oyo asere akaba mone serikali ya Mwai Kibaki oyo asere nsemo ya Uhuru Kenyatta osere nsemo Ruto naenda bakenya bate banga ntuko mwakenda nkyoro chike kogera bakenya ba mwakira naende.
Something that will change this time round job Nkeringa. Now what I'm with the young people, we are the majority in this country. Let's begin even from Kisii. Out of 100%, Kisii was ever at 55%. So which means if you put these percentages all over the country, then we are the majority. And for a long time, Nani job, we've been giving space to some of these political leaders that we've been, seeing and, singing, they can be capable of changing these things. But now, where the country is at this moment, these young people called the Gen Z, they're exposed, they're educated, they have information, you see. So it is time now we have come out. It is not going from the previous years. And if Raila thinks so, we are sorry. It is not going to be from those other times. Right now, we are not going to vote anybody or just anybody coming in and saying, you see, it's not about a person. It's not about a political party. It is not about your affiliation. It's not about your financial stability. It's not about anything. It is about a person who can deliver this country from the state that it can find itself in.
Ere uyaki makolende bono ndo atatebanga ndo mathinga basaya bajen zimbali bare tribal zimbali lakini kolende goikabo mo mukuliga lichinse mo chionse asengencho akere ibintu biko choikobe gokuliga nere iko ndamanyenga ndo atokoranga abara ikurugusi bagocha amo bagoikaransa ntago kwana kolende mbachite gototebichi agenda babete bagokana kwana rekiagera bagosocha abasenata bonsi n'ababunge bonsi babete bagoikaransa ndamanyenga ngiro akonere egitambukira abara yaba
mechando tubate kusine mo nakino era tatu era tifa gokoro yani ko kananga baraya abanene batumanyire ababara abantu bagusimbanto kiaba number 1 job honestly tikatotebe kemana na matiangi na nyara taparata baraya bagusiamo I really tried but egasinya kware ongwa I tried egasinya the current the form, let me call him the former one now. Machago tried. Even the current governor, Simba has tried. We see such meetings, Job. We see every time but again, look at even when President Ruto was appointing permanent secretaries. For the first time in Kisii, we didn't get even one slot. Why? Because of the division of our leaders. I feel like we are the ones. Yani nintu kusema. But in this siyasa, the president is a symbol of national unity. The president should serve those who elected him and those who did not elect him. The presidency has nothing to do, when we are in the presidency, they have nothing to do with my political affiliation. I'm serving all Kenyans. I'm serving all Kenyans. But now look at this scenario. Ekerenga, Gusibono, yani nchetumingo tenga gusisa hii tuwabe kirunge village bono. And you realizing a job in campaign periods, once people target the Gusi. Why is it that when it is for elections, they target a region, but when it comes to appointments, they don't target a region? Then it means the problem is not the president. The problem that is Serikali area place. The problem nabaraya from this region. Are they of one voice? Are they of one unit? Where two people don't agree, God does not command a blessing. Or two people cannot move together if they don't agree. And this is a problem that has been affecting our region for a long period of time. When we try to form that unity, it again dissolves out of political interests. That's why you see we miss positions in government. We just get, I'm sorry to say this, we just get mayor positions. What is? I mean, I vie as a governor, you know, and then in the process of vying as a governor, I step down and I support somebody. I support somebody who will win, and these people will form the government. And then in my position, in my rank, vying as a governor, you promise me that you'll give me something just to support then you end up giving me a member of CG board in what's that? That's diminishing our community.
Kolendo totekaleta singane ndochenga ntue asoko tachiko kabere ndochenga kwabere okonya bagusi kyageranga UDA kera bale bagerete UDA abande bagakera ODM bali ba UDA baetete bakaranga bakaiwa umuwaziri macho ogamboyo ono asense moyende kero noina serikali ya Uhuru Kenyatta ndoro chinga mbari bakirete ODM abagusii naende abandi bagakera Jubilee koru Jubilee tukanyoro waziaro chinga goita kabiri ngoyo chekwa tu eti chinsemo chinde
well ndatebe yes nande no. For instance nani job ntatenko example mubeka no muyega Raila natebe unga to Marieta toko beka into the cabinet and then you see Raila had to bring his very close political allies wana tianga tebi into kuko tachagana ga getari gotokonya twa watu Ongwae was somebody who was very close to Raila than even Oparanya than even Joho, by the way. Being that Joe Nero was the deputy party leader, but I can tell you, Job, that Ongwae was close to Raila. Even the president knew. So which means if Ongwae could have been loyal, Tachaga, Naga, position Nirio Paranya Konanga Ongwae. Then it means I better be loyal. Emburetu mugasore. But at the end of the day, I think there is something I'll get. Rather than intenenega, naga. Iga na bongo tenenaga so moino gaiga. Or is it game? Ngego ngobo member ngago sisi contract ya 3 years as a chairperson of a certain parastatal. Naga sena atamete korunkabura ngatingo nyara kende bintu bya change ibo minister wera ni rumwino gaiga. So it will become again so hard nche koru gaiga wera na mwino gaiga. So I better onye nige ga tigan standi gaiga. Onye nige ga tigan standi gaiga. I mean we must build our political muscles so that when even those storms come they not check us, but knowing that at the end of the day we are just standing to fight for Kenyans, not myself. Those are personal interests leading to the region otatwara some of those positions.
Ere buja kigima tutata singane yubono nkyora bwo kwa advice use anemono gochia ase abagusi anemono kubwatikananga nigo to betokoranga amangana amange akwene kiwa tu aberto ndori konyora bitali bito ngebone to betokora nabagusi.
Number one job, it begins so muntu yo wake kura. That is the beginning point. Muntu yo wake kura. Nchina abori chikura chugo jumbe job korubonjari. And I realized something. Abantu baita abanga, they are voting in people because of money. But these people, they cannot vote in omonto what ideas. No monto rachigo change the political perception. So if we need really to change everything, we can return to the ground. Abuno the beginning point. I'll not vote omonto in because I want to I'll not vote omonto in because I come from a certain political party. But I'll vote somebody in because I know at the end of the day he has heart of the people. Na watu moyo wabantu. And no muntu ka watu moyo wabantu job munacha orukuru aliga, he will do his best. Rather than in each job I've spent millions of money to campaign na ile chikura, they don't expect anything from me because I'll fight to get my money back. And not even my money back, I'll fight to get profit and my money back. So in 5 years my concentration is to refill my pockets but not to do development. So this is something that we should learn, and actually I was telling somebody to went on civic education. You know, right now we cannot even blame the president. We need to blame ourselves. Why did we decide to go that direction? Because on your in positions. In positions. But we proudly said yes, and they're in position. So what do we expect? We have to go with what they are telling us. You know, and that's why we are saying no, you cannot go the way you are telling us, but you will go according to the law of the land.
Ere bujaki mumwanchumulia on Ndizi TV niko twende kusanga numura iwa saikuru kaunti ya Kisii Kevin Musomi obo sanga nto amangi anemono igoro yobora inabo igo asense icho Kenya yabirikira ase chinga kicyabona abuno turachuchira sumutimoko omoke tosiomi ase chiduka kolende turabe twirana ntobe tokugendera gusanga nere asubagale sanga nto sumtanda ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News at kumtanda ito www.ndizitv.net number SMS 0792192834 asema byabano tobasa uska tobasa ko nyegera.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Supermarket ya Kisii Mattress irimi y'umucubusongo nigo bono yakorenteire ebintu byogutumika nabo igokonia asiriguririanse nabo igo bikoniwa asenjera ya wholesale buna maguta y'ikinyini obushi bw'okuruga chidaipa ni chitissue chisabuni body oils ebinywewa esukari nabo igo ibikoroto boigo nkonia bale ebintu binde asenjera ya retail byogutumika nyumba bune birogo n'ikimesa electronics, chianga, chinyange, chibagi, chikapet, ebitanda n'emito, naboigo chipillowcase, mbabuate office furniture, cookers, fridges and freezers, table banners, toaster ovens and microwaves, dispenser, cordless kettles, washing machines, nebinge, batalirime y'umucubusongo. Kisii Mattress Supermarket, the only money saver in town.
Ano mwana w'ekyanga kya mitumba kira ky'abaana amu n'abantu tabanere na nigo tagitego kinyorageka kyange bono Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells nigo akorobeire sabari entambe asago kireteire gisieri na munwa
no Mama Tefi Mitumba egotogotoka se Imperial Building igero opposite St. Jude na ende RB and Family Bank. Mama Tefi ntubwate ebintu mbalimbali bya mitumba buna bono chianga chiabana ntubwate chi household ntubwate chi wood ntubwate chi jacket ntubwate towels. We have all types of products chia mitumba baka ntubwate bikoro tubone ganto introduce ti bikoro to na some slippers crocs igo toko barangeli munyara ko mogo cha Mama Tefi Mitumba munyara ko mo kwenyorera emisigo ya Canada grade 1. Karo wachire Mama Tefi Mitumba ntubwate obosemia ntobanetia baligereri bali siko bali batete gochaka biashara bachicha Mama Tefi Mitumba elinde banyare ko bakonyora oboseminga na kibawanete bachaka biashara bya mitumba inki batakire bakore ko bwate chiri busta na 500 Mama Tefi Mitumba kwanyorere karo batokere number 1 elindo nyare ko bagokwenda na karoki kenyare ko bagego gokonya
atarere imeyo mucyo musongo ase nyombere ya Imperial eyo jirigeraneti amune nyumba ya St. Jude ground floor room number 1 na number 2 akesimina kubeka eoda ya olero Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells
abiro kama Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells ayudo bag maber at a low price bada wewe welcome Uchakia goseko gendrea obonchore bwa mitumba inchumu wa Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells.
Welcome to Luther Park International School. We have started.
Luther Park International School ni skuru y'echinse chamaiko iyo yachagitwe ne University ya Cambridge asere gwetanya chinse 150 amasomo ye nigakotiri umwana na komwali bagali igiyeli kwirwanira asiti sector ao imeyense nigo babwate birasiye uchakirekirija year 1 weka year 4 asibabwate bintu byokosomera bisaine unabono chi computer echo gikora amasomo yekerero na mwigo mbabwate laboratory yekerero yani science laboratory niko babwate birugo byo kwikaransa bisaine bya baroki waba year 2 weka year 4 mbabwate bintu byokobugya muziki unabono guitar, drum sets, keyboard, egatie binde nikubabwate asagaya asabana bakoragirira nabwo nabalimu umwana wosoma se skuru ye natwarubuya wikwibwatanya asichigosoli unabono skating wako pali wako mupira bw'amaguru wika karate mbabwate stadium mwenene asabana bakogosoli chigosoli naboigo usire biyago byabana ale nayo umwana gunigare bwatanya munebirabo unabono kiriya drama na music kiriya debate club journalism scouts egatie binde nigo baguchaka kwarigania abana guchakira emyaka ibere amaliganyo yani admission nigo egenderete nigo bagutuka asebara ya Kisii Kisumu Migori Junction hamwe n'Nyagitari ya Busungo wigo nabo kubonyera gwitras kinamba cyabo inoti 72 kyanda eyemo 72 inye kyanda inye isaranemo ase enoti isano na ibere inya ibere isano na isatu isano nemo eyamo ibere isano isano na isatu.
At Lupa Park International School, we don't just have teachers, but facilitators of education who are highly competent and very qualified.
butambe kurumu cy'ubusongo edukane yemuyuka ekoni ibintu by'ugutumika nyumba ibyukoni asiduka ukwagacira iby'uburimi n'ibindi binge imena isiko yorogonkorwa gusi Owuru Superstores Limited bunabono koni abarinkira ya wholesale bune sukari omuchere amaguta y'ikinyini ecumbi amabere chidaipa esabuni n'ibindi binge koni abari cyituma cy'ukwagacira amabati imisumari chisimiti chirangi chisengenge chiwilbaro n'ibindi binge nigo bagukubugurira umusigo ekero kwagurire goikabuo asegeka gicinse 24 beka eoda yao ku Rwanda osiasure ensiweta usobatarire imeyo mu cy'ubusungo asamagacho AJM Towers Building angena Credit Bank gose Uhuru Complex Building angena Safaricom Customer Care Kisi usuba Kirisimi Asikinambechi Owuru Superstores Limited, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices or your money back.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi.
Mwancho murelia Ndizi TV kwa lebene ase ntunda yende ntunda yomwelio ime yomoroberio wensa kia ase mambi ya bono astanete kusanga nere Kevin Mosomi oyole omura ibwa basa ase county ya Kisi tabeto kusanga nere amange anemono alia alingete oborai na boigo amagenderero imeyense ichwa Kenya stoto kwanira anemono igoro asense ichwa Kenya berege korwa na boigo asense yaito ya Kenya erochi ase amatuko alebosio uneka tabinga sangana into wetera somtanda ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News at www.ndizitv.net asense media ye namba ya SMS 0792928834 sangana into simambia bono Rafael Very Love tuned present from Kisi Bonchari Bigitariana amakwane gochia ase mama Mary Bochere moito na my sister Melvin na Kerubo alia Kisi bogetutu masabage tunu kia bobarogi ndochenga Samson Ongaga kurwa Manama City ego kiango noare mimero berwensa kia jiria kirumo from Manama Baharin Kingdom boy gogocha amakwane uchense ya Kenya. Evans Mukwa kurwa Mumoseba Kisi County akondani keroka nsemo ya ye unilo moja tuned in Evangelist Sauline Glorious morning natuko murobirwen sakia na Eric Osoro korwa Kiumburi Ritaro imemurobirwen sakia Klaus Nyakez live from Canada following murobirwen sakia Victor Mondo Miyenda following na boygondo chinga Denizo Onyanja God is good. We have started the week with this grace from Makambi edition. Alright, abange bani kumuro birensa kimambia bono abuna bayikirana asumuro birensa kimambia bono ndo mwantu Ndizi TV ntakwatari bagali abene sanga na intwe naye boyige kerengeli kiao ase nkwana toito kwani mambia bono nemononga na ralia ya abwendrete kobaga kwene kigwa gochia ase ensemo area yoborai na boigo karua ekerengerelio kyao toito kwanira amange nemono igoro yoborai na boigo buna kwa batutenga trenda sumuti mukunga aba Kenya babere bakomia moki aba Kenya babere bakoba maiso kulindi asensemo yende ndorochenga ekiamankero kyarabere myake mingi kyama kya ODM toito koranga bono maiga yo paranya na boigo opio ndanyi na boigo nere joho abalenge baringe opio ndai na yani tutatebenga oparanya na Joho ose oyo kabiro mugavana county ya Mombasa na Kakamega nigo baringe abakonyi babarai abanene kore tokoranga engusana nere date use ekemina no okwamererie oborai tubulia igatia marieta bereka gwaturwa no mugavana county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati na boigo omugavana oli Mombasa Abdul Nasser tima tinga nkiora ukwanera anemono igorobono yoburai wa ODM gochesa matakabosyo
oburai bwa ODM gochesa matukari gochimutu I don't think whether Raila can nachangie in a way actually ngata yo muntu moisondenga isikori ya kare political party yakwana na both deputies to join government then what does it mean? Is that political party existing? Then probably it is not existing. And I tend to think right now ODM yanyare gotigeru some of the youngsters, the likes of Babu. That's why you heard Babu saying that he's officially now the opposition leader. I love his vigor and you know energy. But to me, if ODM could be relevant, then it means we can a new blood wine that will lead the party. The likes of Babu, the likes of Sifuna, you know, the likes of is this Narok guy. Ledama. Yeah. Those are the people that can bring back ODM to where it used to be, but not Raila. Not Raila. Raila has dissolved ODM, by the way. Bunir ODM.
Atabanga na Ruto no akabero ODM. Eba umeranete na ende.
These are job. Onyo Montanaro manyete Raila we are Ruto. And onyo Montanaro manyete Ruto we are Raila. They are two friends. And I think I had said this in a certain interview that when the elections were done, just give it time. These people will end up coming together. And it is here. These people were friends. You see, that's why it was so hard. Because the guy understood every tactic. But now, to ODM, ODM yathiru sama goko ndatebenga each youngster. And this youngster will determine whether this party will move or will collapse. But to me, Raila as the main pillar of ODM, amanda tebenga or dissolved ODM because Raila is headed to the AU. What if he wins? You see? Now, 2 deputies are in government. You know? So we are remaining just with Secretary General. Is that a political party? It is not. Political party must have its structural formation from the chairperson, from the leader to the chairperson to what have you. But look at ODM itself now, it is collapsed. So at the state here, if I can line with the current mood. Yeah.
All right, ere huyaki makole ni kwate banga opposition theory kuli ndi to koranga Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka babo Jeremiah Kioni na munya ate banga ntunto ende kutena nomo Kenya rochinga babu ate chinguru chiri shiga ne ile nemona so suma serikali
very tricky very tricky knowing that Vantabaiga they never had a presidential candidate. Their presidential candidate was Raila Odinga. So which opposition are they talking about? Because constitutionally, whoever is known as a position leader, no one to wait and baby. We are Raila Amolo Odinga. So if he has joined the government, he has not joined the government as Raila Amolo Odinga. He has joined the government as the opposition leader. So these are the people, they can as well now poor now you know it's a job. Kenya it's a mess. Even Kalonzo, you will see. And I'm telling you, you will end up one of these fine days breaking news. Kalonzo has joined the government. You see? So right now, let us just move with this move of Gen Z. We just fighting for what is right. But some of these political leaders, some of the people that we want to erase from the system. all of them, we want to erase them from this political system. And we come up with a new blood wine that aligns itself with what the common man wants. So I can comfortably say, even if they are yapping every hour, they are fighting for CG Kenyans. Which Kenyans are they fighting for? They are fighting for themselves and they are fighting for positions. Yes.
Ele bweke makodende gwikira bono timatinga aurochenga abasae barosire osekonya ko gwatekananga ninchira umuraibwense Dr. William Ruto bakora monchurio obeire gako bakiria osega ko balimia
tara barimia batrende ngarina kwanira gotebanga yes right. Yes right. Look at some other countries. Look at Nigeria. Look at I saw Venezuela. Look at what's happening in Ghana. You know, I mean, it is burning down. Countries are burning down literally, and the presidents are not even speaking a word. President, and you must follow what has been put in place. But look at our president here. To make that now is human enough. You know, is human enough. But he has not met the expectations of this Gen Z. He has not met. You know, when they said that the cabinet should be resolved, they meant that. But now what we are seeing is that we are seeing some reshuffles. There's a difference between reshuffle and resolving. So which means until some of those faces that reappeared on the new cabinet should again disappear from it, that's when these young people are comfortable and say, then this person is true, and this person is ready to work. So some of those things, so to some extent, no. So to me, but I know the president is so wise, and I can tell him maybe let's wait and see. He might continue doing more actions and mending his government to make sure I am a picture here to the common man.
Iriki makolino muraibu nse Dr. Lintoga aigawe tebanga ere ni gaba gako buni kamatieli ikarabira ko yibuna akabanga gako leta bawaziri abakini wone barabene contracting ya enya igara chikoba engage asenjera erengao elindi atebanga enense ya monchi ko baorokinga ono kimojo so kamati talinga buni bintu bya lenge ririko nakikwa bewa ko vetted ingira ukwanera ne mono nduchiko leta tofauti boli
naboto chiko leta tofauti. I think it was on the first year, with the president when he had I think it was
performance contract.
No, performance contract. There's something he quoted those ministers singer. Some of you, I know what is happening in your ministries better than you, better than Inga Mumanyete Manyete. So you realize again, the president had a clue early enough. Some of them are very incompetent. So to me, not even the Gen Z, to me, him as the President of the Republic of Kenya, he had something in mind, you could dissolve that cabinet. Because he felt like they were letting him down, you see. So I think what the Gen Z did, they pushed the idea. They pushed the idea. And the president responded to it very fast because it is something that was in mind. But now, what these people are saying, we never wanted to see some. Some of those faces should not reappear back. It's really tricky, but he can manage it. He's a wise man. He can manage it.
Korede ekera tokuba tokuliria ense moyende vonorocinga ingikera saba sakiagira basaba airocinga mero belikiva kabugate busa.
Right now nani job ngantona nara bateba. It's so hard for the president to do everything, to go to, I mean, go fulfill every demand because because he's the president at the end of the day. He makes decisions, what is right and what is, and it's so hard for him to like change everything as Chigenzi targeted. But now, this power still belongs to this Gen Z. No? And what I can predict is the push cannot be as much as I have had previously, or some of these few days. The push cannot be that strong. Because remember, the people had the psych, people had, no, we need to go for this. But now what will happen? I think these people will punish some of these people come 2027. That is when they'll punish these people. Because job, apa saya mange konyora mbabwati bibande bichikura. Pasaya banga konyora ngana bibande mbabwati. Bibande, leave alone bibande biwakachikura, but even the ID mbabwati. And now what will happen? These people will mobilize, and they'll even do civic education, by the way, in every part of the country. And come 2027, the most registered voters will be young people. Than even and so these people now, my friend Job, they will literally vote out so I think that's where now these people will turn what they want and bring in what they want.
Kolende kero kubilinga siasa chi mwaka o 2027 na bege miaka ya bere kuruma intopo utikira chikoba an mono nyanga to koranga mobilization bere sense ya online manyanga campaign boy gona uchira chikoro online.
Yes. Campaign ko chikonya chikoba chiko chokora na chinyinga chikonya. Let me say, most of the campaigns will be online because you're understanding it's a civilized nation now. You know, we have exposed social media, ego changia a lot. And I'm seeing a scenario some of these young people, they'll get positions a lot because it's the same young people are going to vote. So majorly, they're not even going to spend money, by the way. It will be just social media. Look at even the demonstrations that were done. No meetings, no nini. It was just social media. And it brought a lot of impact. So what are we seeing in 2027? That there will be a turnaround of the political narrative that we've been seeing and experiencing before. The perception will change. So this group will literally register as voters, you know, and they will vote mercilessly. If they don't want Kevin, they'll vote him out. If they want Job, they'll bring him in to make sure the government is something that you know that cuts all across, and the government something that responds to every citizen in the Republic of Kenya. So it's going to genuine, and to me, I'm happy to that. In Gerigo Chikobanga ne handout, Vintalant Vanality Sai, Chikobanga ne political party get okor, or Chikobanga no what I got father get it? No. Chikobanga, you have experience, you have leadership qualities, we'll vote you in. So it will be a different narrative completely.
Asense mwe toka ni kumanyanga ayebunu muraiwa basa inki kwa ndrata wakora anamono ase ogo semia basa na boyo kuba kimia basa.
Most important thing, Job, it is to empower Abasayaba. May it be politically, may it be socially, and even economically. Because at the end of the day, we want to leave a legacy. And the legacy, we don't leave the legacy by Mario Wate, Vinto Wate. You leave the legacy by how you have impacted the generation. And to me, it is high time. Actually, we are doing youth forums in every ward, in the 45 wards, Chirikisi County. We want to pass information, Sabasaya, Inga, you know, we cannot criticize the government because we are the people who had put that government in place. So if we really need things to be okay, because these people are already in government, they cannot change as much as what we want. So what we do, number one, are we registered voters? We begin it from there. So we must register as voters. First qualification. Number two, we must train these people. As much as we're experiencing economic challenges, but again, watching manasiasa ongeri bungwa kere kora urubinki yankona na nyeri sai but mambi nane ninye tagete. So we'll tell them that we'll show them on how to fish, but not to give them the fish itself. So it is by changing their narrative and passing this information to everybody and telling them that you have the power to change what is wrong.
Ense moyende nagani kumanya boyiko igatemero berio obegete bosio asogo ikira basayaba na kubasira so bisya.
Yeah, ntobate miroberi mingi, and mostly we collaborate with different non-government organizations, the likes of USAID and some other organizations, and we're pushing. We have written a lot of proposals, and we want, if these proposals go through, konyara chi grant, not even loans, chi grant, and this grant will be given to various youth groups in Kisii County. Let's say group nere, okorobolemi, group nere, okorakawash, group nere. So job by doing that and those proposals and people getting grants, we're finding Abasaya they'll be busy in making their life rather than busy in following some of these political or these politicians. So at the end of the day, they'll have something in their pocket and not just koruterua masas chitiagas yosekorasu.
Ere buya kigima timatinga ninkyura bego semia Abasaya batagarate asemambia bono ane mono as okwegendereria asamagima abo asingincha bange babo nigo babere bagosoma abange babwata masakara babere bagotwara none muchandoke bongo babere bakubanga bari frustrated ninkyura bego basemia ane mono erinde kwegendereria asamagima abo.
Yentrana go te Abasaya bonsipi nkeringa there is time and season for everything. Inga kiore sahi tarero go chikaba mambi. But again, the decision is in your hands, and you need to make a good decision as a young person. Yentonga nyanchi te go te antonga sense to me to wate bintu bibera. To wate into to koroka sweet things. Into yaka to wate into koroka valuable things. Sweet things ekega even te bige will last for a short period of time. But valuable things they last for a long period of time. So as young people, let us learn to go for the valuable things rather than kwa chira kumunyakere bintu behaviors. Mbiya so my message to every youth is that let us go for the things which are right. Let us fight for the things which are right. Let us not be political. Let us not be divided with the ethnicity and the tribe and what have you. But let us come together as young people, stand with what is right, do our best, keep ourselves busy, knowing that tomorrow will not be like today.
Ere buya kigima Abasaya bange babere bagotumikuwa bobeki siasa babere bagotumikuwa n'abantu asengenjo wekirania ebirenga au kwa bakonyoranga omweli bweli tuko Abasaya bana bakwenyorako nkyora ko nerengane
job aba na siasa bange they will use you when they want you but they will misuse you when they don't want you. They'll come for you when they need your support, but they will ignore you when you need their support. So what we need right now, talk about political, but let us stick to what is right. And job, you see, at the end of the day, and I thank God because we have a lot of opportunities outside here. We have TVET, we have vocational training centers. I think already form for I can join in any TVET. Plumbing, saloonist. At the end of the day, this thing will give me bread of the day. Rather than mwanasiasa okobo ngaine dalinga nichenko be KPA nichenko be KBC machikula chiko era muntu ekatoli komara. And that's why you see young people, a lot of them are go into depression, a lot of them go into drugs and substance, a lot of them are dying. Why? Because they were given fake promises. So as young people, let us not just stick to fake and false promises. Let us do our best. Let us do our best, let us work hard, and let us give ourselves a reason to smile.
Ere buya kigima ntomatenga aboigo chinga itone to kwana chinga imambia bono tubwate Abasaya bale ase erusa abange babo babungete bale nkaga libanda to tumuka kyake be arezi bene asuchu chaka etamwe nikira ukonera Abasaya asemambia bono bali bala sinka kuwatka erusa
Abasaya especially abale nkaba chirese erusa mbaba so involves themselves into things that are not valuable. I usually since 2021 Nkontwarande program in Kisii Town, the Koroko Kisii County Interdenominational Fellowship. This brings young people from every denomination, and this is one way to keep young people busy, especially in holidays, especially when they are not engaged in the activities. And I can suggest and tell them this is one of the platforms that will mentor some of these young people. So if you are free, come, let us shed years. Let us grow in one way or another, rather than involving yourself with things that will end up making your life to be miserable.
Ere kima asinchuno chinga biro bebere kumyoka kima na chiza chabire chikogenda kima inkwa na yo mwali nili ko chasumulilia on Ndizi TV.
Inkwa na yo mwali ko chasumulilia on Ndizi TV ngeringa we as Kenyans tunyara komenya somolembe. Nande mono sana tunyara gwanchana into asintu. Kenya yetu nkogenderere bira masomi nkogenderere bira hai. Lakini Kenya yetu era nyare we expand na kokore binte binane ekere nchenae tore involved. So let us love one another, let us be very calm, let us push on and fight for what is right. Asante.
Mbiamo na swikira na imiandizi TV mambia bono. Tebenga kio mwelio. Tobeta kwenda ukwali ni bene ase ime ya Ndizi TV. Mwanchu murili ya Ndizi TV. Niko tuwabetu kusanga nere Kevin Mosomi. Oyoro muraibu wabasai ase county ya Kisii. Tuwetu kwanera amangi kikima uchakira ase siasa NNA siasa nseiti ya Kenya. Tuwekira na soro gongo ruagusi na boigo. Tuwetu kwanera amangana alingete abasai. Ase nyenchobona abasai. Niwa vire kwirili bakali wabiene aso kwene kingankole tabara muncho liali tuwa betukwania ase ege kakerege tambe ase umonjo Ndizi TV ngote inbe mono aso kutubuate kurwase mambi yale nge tambe gachinga kishabono aso tubuate nere nelfa oro kwene kinga auto betukole tumuroberio ase nchera yabene Abigail Nyanjama nere baka kwene kinga chibichechi bugana malio gyabera wekera ase nchera ere yobo ikerano kurenda muncho muneze notoyashwekera omwelio Murobeli bwensake kole ni ngo sabanga enda gotengera Ndizi TV aswate merobeli menge ko ko semi na boyo kumanya se torabe to kumanya manga entrete ime nesiko yorogongo rwagusi to baso to konyera to merobelio emenge na bagane elite koligia na boyigo oborelia uya ime Ndizi TV na bobwansu bwomo gusi.